Well, I done been to the grocery store and back, and yeah, prices are still high. Like, some things are going down, like, can't deny that. And I guess that stimulus check helped a little bit, and but you still have to file taxes on it, right? So hopefully the economy just gets so much better and get even better. Let's hope for that. And I wish everybody well, or whatever they may be going through. I hope it gets better. And yeah, so these are just all the things I got. And I was just looking at some other hauls, and I'm like, whoo, things were so much cheaper then, okay, versus now. So I'm just grateful for what I have, and I'm grateful that I'm able to buy groceries. I'm just grateful because I know that they're only going to get better. So I ended up picking this up from Ross, and it was a very affordable price. And I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and put my eggs in here because I wanted to try something so different. And you know how you're watching people on YouTube and they're doing their refrigerators, and they just have all the acrylic containers in there, and it's just so aesthetically pleasing. So I wanted to go ahead and try that, and I did get two of them. So the only thing I'm going to do is clean them out, and I'm going to go ahead and stack my eggs in there, and I think it is so cute. So the next time I'm out at Ross, I will go ahead and pick these up again because they do work. Well, these are super organic and they're fresh. Oh my goodness. Only thing I'm going to do is just go ahead and rinse them off. This is so fresh. Oh my goodness, it smells so fresh. There are so many things that you can do with it. You can eat with it. You can cook with it. You can clean with them. Yes. Oh my goodness. How about a facial? Squeeze. You can make you some lemonade too. Hey, how about that? Yum. Yep, they're beautiful. Okay, I'm just chilling. Yes, chilling right now. I'm just seeing what I need to do. Maybe I'll just put a little, let me see, put a little bit. Just on the ends a little bit. Okay, so that's what I wanted to do. I just wanted to put a little of this oil on my hair because, yes, I'm just trying to keep it moisturized and yeah. But anyway, I have my hot pink little work out jacket that I end up getting from Dee Dee's. And I have my hot pink shoes on with my slid up jeans, whatever. And yeah, natural face, no makeup. And yeah, so my natural hair is doing pretty decent, even though I cut it or whatever. But yeah, so that's all I'm on, and I hope you enjoy the rest of this vlog. Welcome if you're new to my channel. Okay, I'm Rochelle Creativity. Like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, I thought I'd just come in real quick, say hello, do a haul, and yeah, I've been loving doing shorts. Have you guys been liking shorts? What do you feel about shorts? I think I like it. It's easier, especially when it comes to editing, because if you have a good idea or you just feel like you want to be inspired to share, you can share it that way and it's even quicker. So if you are a person that does editing, you kind of know what I'm saying. But if you just like kind of just grab your phone and talk and hold a conversation and you're really not into editing, I kind of have a knack for that, but I just so love editing. I think that is cool, but I don't know if, I want to spend so much time on editing anymore. I don't know, but I think that's where my thought process is right now. And but I do like shorts. I think shorts is cool. I just wish that, like, when I'm going in my analytics and I'm looking down from like 2 years ago or a year ago, I do notice a change in the way things are going, because I don't know if there's a different audience or what, but I know that most of my audience come from the United States, so I don't know if that's it or what, but I don't know, but I'm still grateful. What I'm gonna do is just share the rest of this haul, and I will be doing a voiceover because the house is busy right now, but I just thought that I would come in and say hello to everyone and give me a thumbs up. Enjoy the rest of this haul, vlog, and yeah. Okay, so all this time, I was like, let me see what this TV really does. My son was like, you need to just go ahead and get rid of cable because you don't need cable. Just plug the TV up. And he showed me. And I was like, I did not know you can get all of those channels with just this TV alone. So it was a good price. I picked it up at Walmart, and for those that have the TV, I think you would probably agree. So I like it, and I did pick this one up from Walmart. So I did go into Burlington, and I did pick up this little cute basket, and the price was like irresistible. But I think it was for a pet, but I wasn't going to use it for any pet. I did pick up this basket because sometimes we have like a run of over of shoes. So I picked up this basket right here, and I'm just going to throw shoes in them because yeah, I did pick up this on clearance, and it is a beautiful picture, and it says Ali, which is for Muhammad Ali. So yes, and I did pick up these. Were so amazing. Oh my goodness. You know how you just want to just step up your counter game, or you want to just put these on your table and you want to put your spread out. It is so great for hosting and entertaining, or just, just pick up your spread on your table, and it just gives it a great presence. That's what I got them for. And they were on clearance, so I was winning with that. I was like, yes, grab them now. So that's what I did, and yeah, I thought that the price was just on point. You cannot beat the price. So I grabbed them. They were like $6.99, and the other one was $4.89. So great deal. It was very good. So I went into DD's, and this is just to add to my collection. Okay, some little lighter weights. I could do those for cardio. I did pick up this phone case. I thought it was so cute, and of course I'm going to say I thought it was so cute because it was in the color pink. So I did get these pants right here because yes, I love everything pink. I'm just, pink and gold. It just speaks to my soul, and I like those very, very cute gold buttons on them. So and I do like that little flare leg at the bottom, and they are cute, and I did pick them up in a size 10, and I thought the price was very, very decent, $11.99, which, is so affordable. And yes, okay, and a yes, yes, yes. So these would just be some pants that I wear in the spring and summer, and yeah, it's just a pop of color. And hey, they're going to be hitting me right. I did pick up this cute little dress. I have some tennis shoes, Reeboks, that are the same exact color, and it is in another hue of pink, which I do love the color pink. So it's like a mauve type color pink, and it was $7.99, which I could not resist that price. I like to shop, and I like to shop affordably. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video. I'm going to get on out of here, and I thank you for watching. So I hope wherever you are in the land, I hope that you're feeling fancy and free, and you're doing the things that you love to do. And check out the next video right up there. See you soon.